Relax. The hair is growing. You just have to work on length retention. First things first, make sure the hair is moisturized. Moisturized hair retains its elasticity, which means it can stretch and bounce back. Moisturized hair is a little bit easier to detangle because it has some slip. Moisturized hair is also more resilient. It's not brittle. It doesn't break like straw. You also need to keep hair moisturized by making sure you're not shampooing it too often with a shampoo that will strip it, but do use a clarifying shampoo every once in a while to take off any buildup. So you can have buildup from hard water, from products that are petroleum or wax-based, or products that have silicones that are not broken down by water. So in conclusion, to retain moisture, you want to first add moisture, and you also want to remove anything that will block the moisture that you're trying to add out. So use a clarifying shampoo here and there, but use a sulfate-free moisturizing shampoo majority of the time. After you shampoo, follow up with a leave-in conditioner, moisturizer, and oil. How much you use depends on the texture of the hair. If you have a very loose curl or no curl at all, you'll probably not want to use the oil, but you can use a leave-in and a little bit of cream. And if you have tightly curled hair, you can use all three.